Hello and welcome to my informational video about gastroesophageal reflux, also known as GER or GER. Now, what occurs in GER is when content from the stomach, or mainly the stomach acid, go back up the esophagus, and which normally causes heartburn with many adults and children. A more serious and a more serious and a more serious version of gastroesophageal reflux is gastroesophageal reflux disease, which causes many health complications. And this can be abbreviated as GERD or GERD. Now, what occurs in GERD is this goes over a course of many years, and because of many years of the stomach acid going up the throat, it can create ulcers inside the esophagus, which is very bad because it is basically a feeding ground to cancer cells. Another way to call gastroesophageal reflux is also known as acid reflux. This is mainly common in infants, children 12 years and older, and teens. This is mainly common in infants due to their lower esophageal sphincter being very weak and undeveloped, while with teens, the main symptom is just heartburn due to their lower sphincter being relaxed and open when it shouldn't be. And based on a recent article, children with GERD or GER, about 25% are diagnosed with the disease and with gastroesophageal reflux. While with infants, it's mainly about 95% of infants are diagnosed with GER due to their lower esophageal sphincter not being as developed as children who are older and adults. Treatments depends on how severe the symptoms are in either infants, children, and teens. For children and teens, it could mainly range from just taking simple medicine to help, and infants as well. But sometimes the disease, either GERD, could be very severe, and some infants or some children would need to get surgery to help fix that in order to avoid having ulcers in the esophagus and potentially breeding cancer cells. Or it could be as simple as just changing a lifestyle of eating either really bad stuff and starting eating healthier and starting to have like a a healthy lifestyle. Gastroesophageal reflux and gastroesophageal reflux disease are both connected to what we are learning in class right now, as we are learning about the digestive system and how each part of the digestive system works, and how diseases could affect the potentially affect multiple, or like a single part of the digestive system or multiple parts of the digestive system. And that is all for my gastroesophageal reflux and gastroesophageal reflux disease presentation.